Bizarre incident this morning on a railway track near Hyderabad where in Shankarpalli, in fact, Kia Sonet car was seen on the railway track driving about 6 to 7 kilometers. It is subsequently that they found that it is a 34-year-old woman who was driving it and refused to stop it. And when the vehicles finally stopped, she refused to even get out of the vehicle. She was holding a martial arts weapon, a Nanchuk as well, and 15 to 20 personnel had to get together to be able to bring her under control. Subsequently, at least 10 to 15 trains had to be diverted in order to avoid an accident. The fear was that there could be an impact between the fuel-laden vehicle and some other wagon, and it could result in an accident. So therefore, those vehicles were diverted. So almost 1.5 hours this disturbance continued, and what we understand is that this woman is from Uttar Pradesh, and she was supposed to have been working in a MNC for the last some time now, and she had till recently been working for the MNC, and subsequently she had lost her job, and it appears that she was disturbed, and she has told the police also that she had a disturbed childhood and she felt neglected by her family. She's also a divorcee. The police are now trying to find out what is the reason why she did this very bizarre act, and they are looking at multiple angles, but one clue that they have is that there was a murder or suicide written on her bag, and the presumption is that she may have wanted to commit suicide and project it as a murder. Was that the case? And if she wanted to die by suicide, why wouldn't she come onto the track by herself, and why did she bring on a car to it? So several unanswered questions still.